There's nothing cozier than making your own sauerkraut at home, and this BOMATA kitchen scale is the little helper that makes it foolproof. The first thing you'll notice is how roomy it is. The platform is a generous 7¼ inches, so even a big pile of chopped cabbage sits comfortably without spilling over the edge. And if your bowl happens to be bigger than the pan, well, the hold button function locks in the weight so you can still read it clear as day. No squinting, no guessing. Now here's what I love most for fermenting. Good sauerkraut is all about the ratio. About 2% salt to the weight of your cabbage. Instead of reaching for a calculator, the percentage function does the math for you. It reads all the way down to the 1/10 of a gram, so your batch comes out perfectly balanced every single time. Honestly, it takes all the worry out of it. It's beautifully made too. The stainless steel pan wipes clean in seconds, and the full view LCD is easy to read from any angle. When it comes to power, you've got options. Charge it up with a USB-C cord or pop in the batteries if you'd rather. It even comes with a 100-gram weight, so you can calibrate it anytime and know that your measurements are on spot. Whether you're fermenting, baking, or just want a scale you can trust, this one's a keeper. As an Amazon affiliate, I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my links at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much for supporting my work.